Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all of the fall decorations that I have picked up recently. I filmed a shop with me at Joann's and Hobby Lobby recently, and I told you that I would share what I bought. So those videos will be linked in the description box if you want to check them out, and I'll put them in the cards here. But I have some really cute things and I can't wait to show you. So let's just get started. I'm going to show you really fast Bath & Body Works haul. I went by there this past weekend and they were having buy two get two free, so I stocked up on some fall candles. They're my favorite fall candles. The vanilla or the pumpkin scents are my favorite, and I picked up two vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. It just smells like fall with a little bit of sweet. That's one of my favorites. My all-time favorite is I think called Creamy Pumpkin, but they no longer sell it. Darn it. It's just like a perfect pumpkin scent. Not too sweet, not too spicy. It was just perfect. But anyway, the next best thing is the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. I buy this one every single year. It's just a little more spicy, but it still smells perfect for fall. And then the last one is Pumpkin Cupcake. So that was another kind of sweet one, but when they're on that good of a deal, you can't pass them on. So I picked up 4 of those, and then I'm going to show you what I got at Hobby Lobby really fast. I didn't get a whole lot because, like in my previous videos, I said that they were already all picked over, and now I went there not yesterday but the day before, and it's like they're down to one aisle. So hopefully you can find this stuff if you're looking. But these these wooden beads, excuse me, were $8.99 and 40% off. And I just think that they're going to go really great with what I have going on. You'll see in just a minute. Just like a nice added touch. I'm not sure where I'm going to put them exactly, but I think they're great. And then what I really wanted were these pumpkins. And I got 4 of them. But I really wanted the orange ones, and they were out. But I got the black and the gray buffalo plaid, and I just think they look really cute paired together. They were $3.99 and 40% off, so super inexpensive. And I also picked up this Hello Pumpkin, and I thought that these two together layered would be really cute. And then one more pumpkin I got was this orange buffalo plaid. This is what the orange looked like, but it came like this. And I thought I got this because I thought I could do a cute DIY with it. So stay tuned for that if I get around to it. I'm crossing my fingers, but this was only $2.99. And then I love these table runners from Hobby Lobby, and I finally got a black one. I've wanted a black one for several years, but they always sell out so fast. So I picked up a black one, but I also, for this year, I'm kind of going for more muted tones, and I thought this one was really pretty. And this is just a gray buffalo check. So you'll see this kind of matches with what I'm going for this year as well. And then I just picked up a few things at Joann's. In the video, I was talking about how much I loved this pillow. And I didn't buy it that day that I was there, but I went back several days later and they still had one left, and so I bought it, and I absolutely love it. And then I got this pillow to pair with it. You can't probably tell on the video, but there is orange stitching and gray stitching, and then these gray tassels. And I think on my wooden bench, my light wood bench, I just think these are gonna look so cute. So that is what I'm gonna do with those. And then I went a little crazy at TJ Maxx. In my defense, I have one fall pillow, and so I felt like I could justify buying this many pillows. I mean, nobody ever needs this many pillows, but I got these yellow ones. They're like, I think it's coming off more bright yellow, but they are more mustard yellow. I got 2 of these. I'm probably gonna switch out the insert because they're not the greatest, and I have a ton of them, so I might do that. And I'm gonna put this on one of my couches with just a white basic pillow that I got at Hobby Lobby that I have on my couch currently, and I think that's gonna look really pretty for fall on one couch. And then these, well, like they're just like a check pillow. These were so soft, and you got 2 for $24, and I got 4, so I got 2 packs. And for my big sectional couch, and I think that's gonna look really cute. These, like $24 for 2 really nice pillows is such a steal. So I love when I can find those at Hobby Lobby or TJ Maxx. And then I got these ones too. These ones were only $20 for 2, and I love the covers. I'm not crazy about the inserts, but I have plenty I can switch out. And I just think that though these paired with these, you can't really see, but these paired together I think will be really cute on my other couch. And then this is my all-time favorite one. This is kind of like a linen-y material with like a sweater knit pumpkin on it. How cute is that? I just think it's gonna look really cute. Sorry if you can hear the kids in the background. They've got friends over. I've already filmed this, but when I went to upload it, it just wasn't there. So I'm redoing it really fast so I can get this up for you guys. But that's my daughter and her friends are here, so if you hear that. Anyway, this was darling. If you're local, they have one at TJ Maxx, which is amazing because they never have anything there. But check it out. So cute. And then I ran into Kirklands while I was in Utah. You guys that have a Kirklands by you are so lucky because their decor is like my style. I just love everything there. But I picked up this sign that says, but I think I love fall most of all. And that is so me. I do. It's my favorite. And I cannot wait to put this up somewhere. And then there's another one I really want. They didn't have it at the store, but when I came home, I looked online. So I think I'm gonna order that one too. And if I do, I'll show you. So stay tuned. And then this is like a Halloween theme. So it won't be used until October, but I just thought it was so cute. And right now outside on my porch, I have a green buffalo plaid rug layered with a watermelon. If you saw my spring porch video, I'll link that there if you want to check it out. You'll know that. But in the fall, I like to use black gingham rug and then layer it with something else. So I'm still looking for something for fall, but I got this one for Halloween, and it's just adorable. So I love that. Anyway, that's all I've gotten so far. If I get anything more, I'll let you know. I'm kind of waiting for the Target dollar spot to stock for fall. But honestly, I do not need any more pumpkins. I do not need any more anything. So I might not be buying anything else, but I can't wait to style everything and show you. So stay tuned, subscribe so you don't miss that. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.